Hello, gentlemen and ladies, guys and gals. This is the Knife Detector, and I have another knife review today. This is more of an unboxing. It's not really a review because I just got it. I just came back from the post office, and usually if I have time during my lunch hour, I come home real quick and I make a quickie video for you guys. But this is going to be a two-part video. I'm just going to do this first section here during my lunch. I'll probably do another section later on, and then I'll post it. For those of you tuning to my channel right now, this is the Knife Detector channel, and I like to do reviews on pocket knives and fixed blade knives, knives that are vintage, mostly, but when I see a unique modern knife, I like to do a video on that too. And what we have here today is a TDI knife, Tactical Defense Institute Master Series. And this is supposed to be a fixed blade knife that has a pretty unique Kydex sheath to it that I'm really interested in using. So let's read what it says here. It says the KBD Master Series is a collection of K-bar manufactured knives designed and authenticated by the leading outdoorsmen, survivalists, uniform professionals, and military experts in the United States. We are proud to offer the TDI Law Enforcement Knife Collection designed by John Benner, President and Chief Instructor of the Tactical Defense Institute. Based on his personal experience as a 30-plus year veteran police lieutenant, each knife is designed to be easy to draw, sure when gripped, and ambidextrous for a multitude of mounting and application options. Okay, well, let's find out, guys. And I bought this in like slightly used condition. There was a gentleman at a flea market that I go to. This is where I first saw it at the flea market. He was selling one of these for $47. And I thought, well, let's see. Let's check out eBay first. There's nothing else in the box because this is in slightly used condition. And let's check out eBay and let's see if we can do better. So I ended up getting this bad boy for $31. And from what I can see right now, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking this heavy-duty K-bar clip right here. There you can get a good idea of the Kydex. This is metal, this clip. And there you have the Kydex on this side right here. Size? Well, this is about the size of my hand. I have a fairly average size hand. The handle is of a plastic material. This looks like it's had very little use. Let's pull it out and let's see. Oh, it grips it real good. Oh, it's a good little knife. First thing I'm going to notice is that this is not a flimsy knife. This knife looks to be pretty well made. And this plastic looks to be a very high impact type of material. There it says Taiwan right there. It says 1480, so this is the model 1480, and it really looks like this knife is extremely sharp, guys. Take a look at that edge. That is a very good edge. And this would be awesome for opening boxes, possibly even cutting things in an emergency situation, cutting rope, and it carries just like so. Let's put it back in. Goes in pretty easily. So when you carry this, this part will be on the inside and this clip will be on the outside. So people will see this right here where it says K-bar. I think that's pretty cool. So I can't wait to carry this. First opportunity I get, I'm going to carry this bad boy probably this weekend. And I might do a follow-up video on this later on to let you know how it does. Let's check out this clip. Looks pretty sturdy. This clip has got a little bend in it. I don't know if it came naturally like that or if it was already that way. Or if maybe because this is slightly used, somebody used it a little bit and didn't like it. So we'll see how that goes. I see there's a little piece of metal there to catch your belt or whatever it is to keep it in place. That's probably built in there for that reason. But I'm really liking this Kydex sheath. This knife will be a nice addition to my collection. And this looks like a knife that I am going to carry very often. So let's pull that out again. And again, it retains it really well, guys. This knife, the Kydex sheath does an excellent job of retaining this knife. K-bar. There, sorry for the focus, guys. You can see that the handle is also textured. And I'm seeing right now that this textured handle really does a wonderful job of helping to keep it in your hand. This really doesn't feel like it's going to slip out anytime soon. And This is ample grooving here for your finger. Not bad. I'm liking this knife, guys. I'm liking this a lot. So until then, you know, this may not be a two-part. I may just end this video right here and post it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Like I said, in my channel, I like to make videos of mostly vintage knives, but I do make videos on some modern knives as well if they're unique enough that it strikes my interest. And let's see if I can find any other information. No other information in the box that I can see, except possibly an address. Yeah, no. So I don't have anything here as far as what type of metal or anything like that. Just the insignia. It's right there, and K-bar. But this looks like a solid knife, guys. Can't wait to use it. Might do a follow-up video later on how it fares and what kind of knife it is, and if it's a good deal. For $31, right now I'm thinking it's a good deal. All right, guys, this is Knife Detector signing off, saying have a blessed week, and the weekend is right around the corner. God bless.